Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cloudflare Zero Trust with Teams SSO, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the Zero Trust dashboard from your Cloudflare account. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the Access section on the left sidebar. Click on the Applications tab. Select the Add an Application button. Choose the option for Self-Hosted Applications. Enter a name for your application in the designated field. For the application domain, input the URL where users will access the app. Next, scroll down to the Authentication section. Select Teams SSO as your authentication method. You'll now need to configure the authentication settings. Click on Configure SSO to set up your Microsoft Teams integration. You will be prompted to enter your Microsoft App ID and secret. Log into your Azure portal in another tab to generate these credentials. In the Azure portal, navigate to the Azure Active Directory. Go to the App Registrations section and click on New Registration. Fill in the app registration form, entering the app name and redirect. For the redirect URI, use the URL provided by Cloudflare for Teams SSO. Click Register to create the application. Once registered, take note of the application, client, ID. Now, go to the Certificates and Secrets section in the Azure portal. Click on New Client Secret to generate a new secret. Set the expiration period and click Add. Make sure to copy the generated secret value as you will need it. Return to the Cloudflare dashboard and paste the application ID and secret into the respective fields. Once filled, configure the default role assignment for your application. Choose who should have access to the app based on your organization's requirements. Once you've configured the roles, click Save. Your application is now set up for Teams SSO. You may want to test the configuration by logging in as a user with the assigned roles. Ensure that the login process redirects correctly to Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.